Good morning. Happy December 7th. I need chocolate. It's been a morning. I love my cats, but oh man, they're getting into everything lately. They're in that destructive kitten stage. Okay, so that is, what are we gonna try? Very berry? I think this is very berry. Yes, you were one of the kittens getting on my last nerves. None for you. That was really good. You're gonna have to wait until I get to the cat advent calendar. Back to the chocolate house. Santa's bag is number 7. These cats. Can you hear that? Got some deliveries. They think it's a jungle gym. A little chocolate snowman. The stolen cakes. I just don't want to break my fingernail. Oh, there we go. I'm being extra cautious. I don't want to break a fingernail. The apple one, that one is really good. So here's the pet calendar. Just in time, Sage jumped up. So last night I was watching hockey and I heard like a weird like jangled noise. Well, it was this boy, Felix. Yep, it was you. He had this on the floor and he ripped open number 14. So these cats just don't stop. So now I have to put this in the cupboard at night. Let's see what we got today for you guys to go crazy over. 7 is the soft chews. I think that's what we had yesterday. The cats love them. Let me open this and give them all a treat. Sage, you're gonna have to wait your turn. Felix, don't go anywhere. Okay, Felix is gone. Here you go, Sage. There you go. One for you. All right, oh, everyone's running away. I guess Sage gets 2. Let me go find Felix. He deserves one. Felix, do you want one? Even though you were, see, I don't think he understands. There you go. He wants some, but he doesn't, that's fine. He doesn't want to take it from my hand. You don't have to take it from my hand, that's okay. They're treats, you can eat them. You can eat them, honestly. You tried to chew up the box. Okay, he's, all right. You got it? Oh, I think he understands now. All right, good job. What the heck is going on here? What the heck is going on here? Sage. No. Here. You can have 2 more, and then the rest goes to Honey. You have to put that box up so you don't try to open it. All right, Honey, our neighborhood watch girl in her normal cat bed. Would you like some? Are you feeling better this morning? Day 2 recuperation from your dental surgery. How are you feeling? Oh, that's good. You like that? I hear Sage opening the advent calendar. Oh my God, these cats. Here you go. No, that was just my thumb. I was trying to move it closer for you. There you go. One more right there, honey. One more, not my thumb, right there. There you go. You want one more? Or you make it, it's right there. No? All right, it's right here. Right there. There you go. There you go. You got it. Right there. I put it away. You have to wait tomorrow for more cat treats. So could we all get down from the table? You know the rules that you all ignore. No getting on the tables. That includes you. That includes you. You are my favorite, but you're so bad. Such a bad boy. Here we go. Final Advent. My Christmas pop-up book. Day 7. Sage. Just put him down. He just can't stop. This one is so hard to open. There we go. Oh, it is I gotta remember, lock, shock, this is lock. And there we go. One of the boy trick-or-treaters. Yep, sorry, not edible. Not edible. You got your treats. You got your treats.